Did you know that the fruits and vegetables we buy at supermarkets often have chemicals and waxes on them? These substances are used to make the produce look more appealing or help them have a longer shelf life. Unfortunately, they can be harmful to our health. But don't worry, there's a natural and effective solution to this problem. And it's probably not what you're thinking. No, it's a high-tech gadget or a complicated procedure. It's something surprisingly simple and accessible. You can actually use liquid Castile soap to wash your produce and get rid of the chemicals on them. So how do you do this? Let's walk you through the process. The first method is to use a large bowl. Fill it with water and add a few drops of Castile soap. Stir it gently to mix. Next, place the fruits and vegetables in the bowl. Make sure they're all submerged. Let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes so the soap can do its magic. You can also scrub the produce gently with a soft brush. Afterwards, rinse the produce thoroughly in running water. You'll want to wash off the soap completely to avoid any residue. This method is quite handy for produce with tough exteriors, like potatoes and apples. But what about more delicate fruits and vegetables? For these ones, we can use the second method, the spray bottle. First, fill the bottle with water and a squirt of Castile soap. Shake it well to mix the soap with the water. You can then spray the mixture liberally on the produce. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing with running water. Regardless of the method you choose, both of them can help remove the lingering chemicals on your produce. It's a simple, natural, and effective way to clean your fruits and vegetables before you eat them. Castile soap is truly versatile, wouldn't you agree? Not only can you bathe with it, but it's also useful for other purposes too. But always make sure you're getting the real deal. So if you want genuine Castile soap, check out your trusted organic shops in Singapore. They're always stocked with the best natural brands for your health and wellness. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found our tips useful today.